Day is quickly approaching, and I've not even thought about what I'm supposed to wear. I have all of these invites coming in, and this is serious. No, it's not funny. Okay. It's actually very serious. Labor Day is so important because it's right around our birthdays. It's the end of the summer. It's such a fabulous weekend, and hashtag LDW is literally all over Instagram.
What is it? LDW.
Labor Day weekend. You know this.
Oh, okay.
She's missed this hashtag apparently.
I'm trying. Okay. I would go with something like this. This is beautiful. You can do like a little flat sandal like this though, because that kind of tones it down a little bit. And you could wear that same bag that you were carrying today. This is a little dressier, I think, for the mother pearl. So this would be sort of a dressy option. You could go with your little short set. Silver accessories are going to be huge for fall. So it's good that you have these. These can go right into fall, but they're great for Labor Day weekend. This is a little mid-drift top and some cute little shorts, but because of all the lace and everything, it would be dressy enough to wear going out at night to a rooftop party.
Yeah.
If you're going to a barbecue and it's poolside and it's you're going to a lot of trouble, then do this. If it's super casual, barbecue at the lake or something, go with something more casual, just like a fun little top like this that has stripes and the little cutout sleeves. Can you see how that's cut out all the way up? That's so cute. I think that would be adorable. So this is really cute. It ties at the waist, right? But it's sleeveless and it has this fun, funky thing going on the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, sunglasses. I think I'd do silver jewelry with this. Maybe a fun,
because the buttons.
Silver. Well, this is just a cute little bikini. This is cute. And then this is adorable. This is just a fun little cover-up. So gone are the days where you wear your cute bikini and then you wear your gym shorts and your big t-shirt.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna go for a fun sort of glam, but very comfy cover-up that you could throw on with a little thong sandal. Okay, and then those sunglasses that you were wearing today. Look how cute. Oh, you're ready for the beach. Especially if you had like a big hat.
Oh yeah.
Put on a big hat and you are set to go.
So
might as well be on the French Riviera. This is a cute little top too that you could throw on with a pair of little crop jeans and a heel if you're in the city and you're doing something. I think that selection of things would get you through pretty much any occasion.
And even, what about what I'm wearing?
Oh, and that's adorable. Let's see the back.
Oh yeah,
That is so cute.
This is such an easy throw-on dress.
Yeah. Thanks for joining us today at The Style That Binds Us.
The Style That Binds Us is a media brand with a YouTube channel, which is what you're watching right now, podcast, blog, we have VIP shopping experiences with this national in-demand wardrobe consultant. And I'm Delia Folk, and this is my mom, Alison. We're a mother-daughter duo that make up The Style That Binds Us. We are so glad that you are with us today to experience my stressful moment. But thankfully, Beads taught me through it, and I know exactly what I can wear for anything that can pop up, because literally things pop up all the time. And thank you so much for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel. If you like what you see, let us know what other styling videos you want to see from us. What are your style emergencies? What do you need Mom to walk you through? We will certainly do that.
And we hope that you have a great Labor Day weekend, whatever you're doing. And maybe you can use this video and these outfits that we talked about to shop your closet. Or if you really can't find anything, then go out and see if you can find something similar. And we will put a link to some of the items down below.